Back at the point, Ethan.
We're back.
Ethan's gonna be with us for like 2 seconds, and then we won't see him again for 7 hours. Lincoln loves the. Oh, now it's called the Magic House on Boo Hill. Has it always been that? What was it before? No, I mean this year it's been that. Cutters. You made it! He was just on that thing and there was a traffic jam, people behind him. Poor guy. And it's the next day. This is an area of the park that I've rarely been to. Because I've never rode Valraven, so I never come back this way. I'm always on the main midway. I told Ethan I might ride that with him for his birthday coming up in a week or so. Huh, we'll see. I haven't rode it yet. I might. Thought we were gonna eat at the diner, but we're not. We're gonna hit up a place we've never ate at before. Well, we're gonna attempt it. It's on the meal plan. We'll see. We missed the Snoopy show. He's over there. Ended up with Panda Express. Bowls keep getting smaller there, I keep getting bigger with it too. Watch your head, Granny.
Watch your head, Granny.
I'm wanting you reach your arms over.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. See ya. Thought we were gonna avoid the monsters. We didn't. If they scare you, Lincoln, just kick their legs out. Just kidding. Look at the trick-or-treat line. Nope. We're ready to go. We gotta get our last meal. And then we are going to head out. It's supposed to rain in about 25 minutes. But I gotta come back. You wanna come back with me? I gotta come back and get Ethan late tonight. Getting ready to rain. We made it to the car. Look what I met up with.
Hey.
It is
a little early, actually.
after 11.
Everybody left me.
It's supposed to be 11:45 and I come in at 11:05 and Ethan was walking up the gate almost.
Yeah. Looking around at the map, here's what me and my friends have done. And the last times we've been here, we did this. We did Blood on the Bayou today for the first time this year.
Okay.
Cornstalkers I actually did twice.
Yeah.
None today though. We did Cutthroat Cove today and Bloodbath. And these are the this is the walkthrough area. So of course we walked through there, and we have not done midnight yet. But
So this area is you got monsters.
All the red.
That's expanded.
No, that's what it was last year.
Okay.
But they stretched it out not long ago.
All right. And
The Monster
have you
Mash.
did the kids one with
Oh,
Lincoln?
yeah.
Okay. Let's get a refill of a Coke. Maybe a snack.